How to sell customized family portraits on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products and there are a lot of sellers making a lot of money behind these products. So for example, let's check one of these products or one of these shop pages. So this, we call it in Etsy, we call it a shop page. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page exactly like this one, how you can add the pictures of your product or a video if you have one, how you can enter the price of the product, and how you can set the options as well, how you can add the item details, and how you can set the shipping and return policies. So let's just go back to the main page, then go up, go to your top right, click on the shop manager button, then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. And the first step is the shop preferences, then comes naming your shop, then stock in your shop, then you will choose how you get paid, you set up your payment processors, and then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar, then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So here you enter the name of your shop, remove the spaces between words, and you try to shorten the name. Let's just leave it at custom. The name is still long. And now it's between 4 and 20 characters, but it's already taken. So you can choose one of these options, or you can just add a number, and it appears that if we add a number, it will be more than 20 characters. So let's just choose one of these options. Let's choose this one. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. So here in the third step, you will need to add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to adding the pictures and the details, click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here the first one is the photos. You will need at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. Also, you will need to enter the price of the product. Then we have the listing details. Here you will need to turn all of these red fields white by filling them with the right information. And the same thing also with the shipping. You will need to turn all of these red fields white. So let's start from the first step, which is the photos. So here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here you enter the title of your product. Then we answer these 3 questions. Who made it? We have 3 options to choose from. I did, the member of my shop, or another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? We have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then here for the category, just type the name of the product again, and here you will have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's go with the first one, and here we have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product, the secondary color, the width, height, orientation, the framing, and we have also the home style and the occasion of the product. Then we have the holiday, so for example let's choose Eid. Then we have the room, the subject, and we have the renewal options. If you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual, which is free. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. So in my case, it's a digital product. So here I'm going to choose a digital product. Then we have the description. So guys, in order to give your product a good description, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you want to choose any, you can add them in here. Then we have the section, tags, and materials, and all of them are optional, so I'm just going to leave them for later. Then we have the pricing. So here I'm going to give it this price, for example. So just make sure guys to give it a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then you have the quantity and the SKU number, if there is any. Then here you upload your file. If it's a digital product, you can upload up to 5 more files. So just upload your files in here. Then last but not least, we have the returns and exchanges, and there are any. We have no returns and exchanges in the digital products. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.